Hello guys, I'm going to share with you how to remove the background of your picture easily. I'm going to make sure that I resize it. Okay, so I will bring in the image. Let me simply put this. Okay, so we are going to change the background of this. Okay, so we are going to duplicate this thing like this. Okay, so control and close bracket just like that. Okay, now we are going to use a simple way to remove the background of this picture. Let's simply go direct into select and focus area, and the focus area just like that. Oh, okay, now we can simply press OK. Okay, you can see that this thing is somehow, but you can also simply click that and you can remove the background of your image. Okay, so this is one way. The other way is that's something you can use. Let's simply duplicate this thing again, and let's bring it to the front, and we can put it here. The other way is simply by pressing this object selection tool, which is W, and you can simply come and draw it on your picture just like that. Okay, so as you can see there, right click on the picture and then select feather, goes there at 2.5 is enough, and then you can simply click this place, and there we go. We have this smart picture right now. Oh, okay, so this is how you can change the background of your image easily. So you can simply duplicate it when you want, something like that. Okay, so you can duplicate them as many as possible. Just thank you for watching. This is what I want to show you. Bye bye.